Hey everyone, just showing a TLS caliper kit finished up for a customer here. These are spec for a 9th gen Honda Civic fitment, and we also have rear calipers done to match. So these are powder coated in color Illusion Red, and this is our TLS 4-piston front brake caliper upgrade, which fits a lot of Honda and Acura 5-lug vehicles. With this kit you get the rotor shims that will allow the proper offset of the TLS rotors that will be used with this kit, and then you get all new hardware including 4 caliper bolts, the pad pins, and the pad clips. We also include decals to finish out that look. I'm not shown in the video right now. And optionally, if like this customer, if you want to have rear calipers powder coated to match, we can do that as well. Our coaters do have a lot of in-stock colors, so typically these are no additional charge if you purchase the powder coating option on our website, but we can get any color that you want on prismaticpowders.com for a small additional fee. So if you'd like to get more information on this product, you can go to our website at VisionAutoworks.com, make an order there, and reach out to us if you want to have the rears done as well. Thanks.